good morning to you. In Bloomberg's exclusive interview then this week, Iran's oil minister talked about an extra 1 million barrels a day.
That's right, Anna. He wants to boost oil production no matter what the cost. Quite simply, Iran feels that it had its oil market share stolen away from it by the sanctions that it's been under for the past few years. It wants that market share back, and it wants it back fast.
We have planned to increase our production immediately after lifting the sanction, 500,000 barrels per day. And after 4 months, or maximum 5 months, we have planned to increase it another 500,000 barrels.
Now, Iran is already pumping out 2.9 million barrels a day, so if you do the maths, that makes it 3.9 million barrels a day by March of next year. It hopes to be pumping out. Now, for some context, OPEC's quota for the oil cartel is 30 million barrels a day. Now, it's already pumping above that, and of course, there are concerns in the oil market that any additional production coming from Iran, for example, would put further downward pressure on prices.
Elliott, we saw these comments that OPEC wants to have talks to generate a fair price for the price of oil. Be interesting to see how far that goes. Be interesting to see how much of that is internal or external. What did Iran have to say about this subject?
Yeah, the oil minister, I suppose, responding to some speculation that drove that, biggest three-day rally in some 25 years in oil prices, speculation that OPEC would begin to cooperate with non-members of the oil-producing cartel to try to cut production. Now, he says, look, OPEC is open to, of course, talking and coordinating with others, but they won't be dictated to, and it certainly won't wait for others to make a move on oil prices, to whether they decide to cut or otherwise. And Iran, as we say, is already pumping out 2.9 million barrels a day. Its output is increasing at the fastest pace in some 3 years. And as soon as those sanctions are lifted, and the signs from the US Congress seem to be that it's certainly heading in that direction, then Iran's plans to ramp up production as fast as possible.